We are not just all about solar energy, you are about the inverters, you are about energy saving bulbs. Tell us all about yourself.
Yes, good morning, listeners. Good morning, Legations. My name is Batu Bona. I represent Campus Global Concept Limited. And like she rightly said, our products are top-notch qualities. You can always rely on us. Today I'm here to talk about, I brought up some 7 points that will make you need an installation in your house. A kind of 7-point agenda. Let me put it that way.
Agenda for installation.
Yeah, for solar installation and inverter installation.
Okay,
yeah,
let's
that's
hear
just
it.
what I want to talk
Let's
about
hear
today.
it. Okay.
Because so many people, will call us and they will ask some question and we'll give them some answer. They will say this and that, and I say, okay, let me just drop some 7 points.
Okay.
Let me come on here.
So let's hear the 7-point
okay,
agenda.
Now, this morning I'm talking about the reasons that must make you want installation in your house.
Okay.
And the first point is that if you install a solar in your house, it will be virtually on. It will be virtually on. That is, you don't need, when I meet Barrister Barney outside, I was discussing with him. I told him we installed an installation for one of his clients, an Alhaji. At Alhaji Bauku. And believe by now you'll be listening to this station here because he called after listening to this program. And now Alhaji doesn't have the power grid, the NEPA in his house. He said he just wants us to install a solar for him. And since we installed it, he has been using it, he has been enjoying it, and it has been virtually on.
So he's up from the PATN Wahala?
Yes, he's out from the PATN Wahala. Even he called yesterday, happy, whatever I call, and you say, I'm enjoying the solar installation you guys gave to me. That's the first point. It's virtually on. Okay. Then the second point is there is no running.
That's a very good one though, because when they take light and you're using a gen, you still have to go out. You pour fuel, you pour engine oil.
I'm coming to that.
Now, please.
I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that.
Well,
then the second one is there is no running cost.
Okay.
No running cost. One of the things that motivated me or motivated us into going to this business, I stayed about 4 years in East Africa. So I think last 2 years I came home. And I went to a filling station. I bought a fuel like today. Then the next day, that's when they wanted to increase the fuel. The next day, from 95 naira today, the next day to 145 naira. At Bagada there, I parked my car and I was looking at the signpost, Premium Motor Spirit 145. Yesterday I bought 95, and I was just demoralized. But I don't have any choice. I have to go and get the fuel for my car and for the gen. Yes, but this one there is no running cost. It's just a one-time project. You don't need to buy whatever, you just install. Then the third point is
no running cost.
Yes. The third point is no fuel required. No fuel required. You don't need any fuel if you put a solar installation. I was telling you about Mr. Femi, the one we installed at Idimu. This other day he said that when I come here I should greet you.
My brother from another mother, Mr. Femi Lawal, take care for you.
Now when we installed for him, and like I told you, we forgot to connect the national grid, the NEPA, and he was using it for about 1 month without using NEPA to charge. Yes, there was no blink, and he's still enjoying it up to now. There is no fuel, and just for imagine if you are using maybe what is it called? Maybe you're using a prepaid meter, and we made that mistake. That means for maybe like 6 months, few months, you don't need to buy any. No, you're not buying any fuel. So that's the third point. The third point is that there is no fuel required. Then the fourth one is no noise or air pollution. Several times we have seen it on the newspaper that people inhale the fumes from the generator and they die. It's still happening on a daily basis. But this one, if you have a solar in your house, you don't need.
Honestly, I wish my neighbors would get solar. They are disturbing me with their gen.
Yeah, you know what, Mr. Femi? I went to his house the other day because actually after the installation we gave to him, he has recommended us to so many customers. So when I went to him, so he was telling me, Mr. Bat, I wish all Nigerians can afford this thing. This thing is very, very important for every house because my kids.
If you calculate how much we spend on gen,
yes,
we can.
Yes.
It's just that maybe putting the money down at once
exactly.
The problem.
That's why I say.
But you have a solution to that.
Yes.
Now. So you have your.
Yes, we have some promo packages.
Okay.
Yeah, some people say they want you to carry their freezer and all that. But if you just want some lighting points, you can actually cut it down to a certain amount to carry your light, your fan, and you'll be
And the
sleeping.
type of fan matters. It doesn't carry
Yes.
this heavy metal
Industrial
fan.
fan, no. Industrial fan.
You have to
Industrial
get
fans,
the
yes, either
lightweight
rechargeable
fan.
fans or the ceiling fan. Industrial
Okay.
fans are not solar compatible.
Okay.
So now the fourth point, like I said, is there is no noise or air pollution. You know, like I told you, I spent 4 years in East Africa, and they don't like noise. I have walked in the street of Nairobi, in Kenya, Eldoret, Nakuru. I have walked in the street of Kigali, Rwanda, and Uganda. And these people, they don't like noise. Sometimes you think they are having constant power, not knowing that they are using solar to generate that power. Many of them, you know, they have gotten this mentality of using solar more than 10 years ago. You know, the concept is just coming here. They don't like noise. Just like you said, just come to our compound. Once the power is out, you will hear several sounds.
I think it's only at my side that you hear bro.
No, it's everywhere. Just come, if in the night, especially when the power is out, you will be hearing several noise.
Yeah,
But this one, with your solar installation, there is no noise or air pollution.
Okay.
Now that was the fifth one. The fourth one, sorry. Now I'm going to the fifth one. The fifth one is protection of your appliances. You know what? With solar installation, you don't need a stabilizer. No, you don't need a stabilizer, because if you install a solar in your house, it gives you 220/240 volts, which is the normal voltage to carry whatever. You don't need a stabilizer. It gives you the normal voltage. There is nothing like power surge. There's nothing like maybe that the power is surging and the thing, you know, got your
but if there's a power surge from NEPA, because you know some of the inverters are connected to the NEPA,
Yes.
like what happened
Yes,
yesterday.
okay.
What do you do in such a...
Okay, now in Calpros Global Concept Limited, all our connections, all our installation, we install an automatic inverter. How do I mean? Okay, yesterday when I got back home to pick something, you know, the time you dropped me off, when I got back home to pick something, I never knew that they had taken the power until I came out to see my neighbor before going out again. And I said, is there no light? He said, they are taking the light too. I never knew, because I never, immediately they take the light, it will, yes, it will switch. You won't even know.
Yes.
It will blink.
Except you are staring at the light.
Yes, and there is a fuse. If there is a power surge, maybe you are using an inverter and they never brought the light, and it's so high, the fuse will just off. You just change the fuse. So we install an automatic changeover.
Okay,
inverter.
so that's protection.
Yes, protection.
Great.
Now the next one is automatic changeover, which we have talked about. Then the last one is safety for your home.
What do you mean by that?
It is safety for your home is this last thing I just told you. In the sense that when you're charging your laptop, there is no power surge that will get your laptop damaged, or that will get your bulb burnt, or that will get your television spoiled.
Absolutely.
It's safety for your home.
Absolutely.
Yes. There is nothing like blinking. Maybe half current, low current. It's steady. So it's perfect and safety for
But
your
you know,
house.
some people have actually fixed this solar whatever, and they've had so many complaints.
Yes.
And you know, they won't tell them the truth. What's the difference between poly panels and
Yes.
mono? They won't tell
Yes.
them the truth.
Exactly. That's just the concept here. We in Calpros Global Concepts, we stand on the reputation that this thing works, because if you give us an installation, we'll give you a professional installation with warranty. So many people are just quack. Not just because of the time. I had an incident with my school, my kids' school. They called a quack installer, and it just give them something that spent maybe like 2 months. 2 months, and the thing got spoiled. And then now when I got back to Nigeria, when I went to the school, they said, I asked them, do you not have an inverter? They said it's just 2 months. And when I looked at it, it was an inverter that was used by students that were having their projects. The student used it for a project. You know, final year student, maybe when you're graduating, yes, and they compacted it in, and fake batteries, fake inverters, they give it to them.
That's why they do that thing. Don't throw away your inverter batteries. We'll buy.
Exactly.
They just repackage it and
They
resell.
repackage it and give it to them. But in Calpros Global Concept, we are giving you an original installation, a professional installation,
and
a strong warranty. Yes.
All right. So give us your number and all that. Wow.
Okay. Before I give the number, you know, many people have been calling. They have been saying our 200 AH battery, when is it going to come? Our 200 AH battery gel is coming next week. So for some of you that have called us and that have said we need your high quality gel 200 AH battery, by next week it will be here. So you have it.
What he's talking about.
No, you will not understand that. And our LED bulb is still available. Our LED bulb is
I
still
love your
available.
bulb.
Even when I was coming to the studio, somebody
Right.
called me, said he's
Okay.
calling for me for he will send money so that we supply him some
So then you
bulbs.
supply
It's
me.
efficient.
Oh.
Now, if
And
you
how
want
many years do you say they last again?
more than a year.
More than a year.
Yes, more than a year.
Amazing. All right, go on.
All right. So if you want an installation, if you want us to, do a job for you, you can contact us on the 080 5444 2200. Let me call the number again. 0805 444, that is 444 22, that is 2200. That's the globe. Then the salad number is 090 5031 900. Let me call the salad number again. 0905 031900. And I want to assure you, we are going to give you a perfect and professional installation that will make you tell others, this thing I was taking previously, it was not working. It actually works because we know it works.
Okay.